Hi there, hope you're all doing well. Back with the next part of my Saurian army this week. This is one of the Gators from One Page Rules. It was primed in black and given a white zenithal highlight. These are going to have green skin, so I get started with green skin all over them. This paint job is going to be a bit more of an effort than the standard units, but it's still aimed as a speed paint as there's more than one of them. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. Next up is a green tone wash over all of that skin, just to separate those scales out. There's nothing but scales on this mini, so I'm hoping that wash just fills in all of those cracks. Now to bring back the green with a dry brush of green skin. There's going to be all dry brushing on this skin for the mini, as I feel it's the quickest way to get a decent organic looking skin. The next dry brush is intermediate green. This is for all of those areas facing up, just to help emphasize the size of this creature. I want to create a bit more of a highlight over the top of the model, so yet another dry brush of Goblin Green in a slightly smaller area than the intermediate green. To finish off the skin and really bring out those uppermost highlights, I do a final dry brush of Escorpina Green. With the skin now finished, I get started on the weapon handle and the base with charred brown. I would do the base in dirt splatter to match the previous models, but I've actually run out of that paint and I don't want to wait 2 weeks for the new one to turn up. I'm going to cut this bit short as I'm just painting the base and I'm using a much smaller brush than I should do, so it takes a lot longer. But next up we have leather brown for all of those straps. Inside of the mouth and the eyes, I went for vermilion as it covered a lot better than that abomination gore I used previously. As with all the metal parts of this army, they're going to be done with gold. I grabbed the glorious gold for this as it just covers better than the last drops of greedy gold that I have. Next up is the teeth, claws and the weapon head. These are all done with skeleton bone. To highlight up the gold and just give it a sharper edge, I used old silver for an edge highlight. Finishing off with a wash of light tone over everything other than the skin. For the bone and the weapon head, I tried to get a bit more of a sort of wash fading to the bottom, so it's got a blend. Kind of like a bone normally would have, like it's starting to mold or rot at one end. And that will be it for the Gator. The base rim is done in black and some grass tufts and aquarium plants have just been stuck to it to give it that jungle floor vibe. This is it for all of the groups now. All that's left are 2 characters and then the army is finished. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. If you want to grab some hobby supplies, there are some affiliate links down below for some of the products that I have been using. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.